the latest collection of Instagrammable front yard garden design ideas. Explore the beauty of nature, the latest collection of Instagrammable front yard garden design ideas. Welcome to our enchanted garden. Blossom, get ready to transform your front yard into a picturesque paradise with our hand-picked selection of Instagrammable garden designs. From vibrant flower beds to serene water features, we've curated the most captivating ideas to elevate your outdoor space. Dive into the world of front yard gardening, discover the art of landscaping with our expert tips and tricks. Learn how to choose the right plants, create harmonious color schemes, and design inviting pathways that beckon you to explore. Whether you have a spacious lawn or a cozy courtyard, our collection caters to all spaces and styles. What you'll find in this collection: 1. Inspirational garden tours. Wander through stunning front yards that will leave you in awe. Gain inspiration from real-life gardens that showcase the creativity of landscape designers and passionate gardeners. 2. DIY garden projects. Unleash your inner artist with easy-to-follow DIY projects. Create charming garden ornaments, build personalized planters, and craft decorative elements to add a personal touch to your garden oasis. 3. Gardening essentials. Learn about the must-have tools, organic fertilizers, and eco-friendly pest control methods. Master the art of sustainable gardening and contribute to a greener planet. 4. Engaging garden activities. Discover fun activities for the whole family. From gardening with kids to hosting garden parties, find exciting ways to make your outdoor space a hub of joy and laughter. Join our gardening community, connect with fellow gardening enthusiasts, share your own Instagrammable front yard designs, and exchange ideas. Let's create a vibrant community where we celebrate the beauty of nature together. Don't miss out on the latest trends and timeless classics in front yard garden design. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and embark on a journey to transform your front yard into a captivating masterpiece. Let's make your garden dreams blossom.